Namaste, my friends. To practice bandhas together with yoga or pranayama, it's very powerful. Bandha means lock or something what binds you. Bandha are locks. They are energy locks you can place doing a yoga asana or doing a pranayama session, especially doing breath hold. Bahya Kumbhaka, when you exhale fully and then you apply a bandha. We have Mula Bandha, the root lock. You squeeze your perineum muscle. There's one Mula Bandha in front, so you focus on the genitals. In the back, the anus, the spot in between the anus and the genitals. So there's 3 variations of the Mula Bandha. Mula means the root. It is also connected with Muladhara chakra, with the root chakra, and it's also the sitting place, the resting place of your dormant kundalini energy. So just squeeze, you hold. You can also do a meditation. You meditate about the roots going underneath the earth. You connect it with Mother Earth. It's very powerful to ground yourself. You can also picture the color red and practice Mula Bandha during driving, doing reading, doing work. You can always practice it, and it gives you lots of energy, and in the same way it grounds you. Another bandha would be Uddiyana Bandha, is the abdominal lock where you suck in your belly, in the diaphragm, in and up. So usually practiced after an exhalation. So you inhale, you can feel your ribs here. You can also practice this with the inhalation, but then you can only push it in slightly. Recommended is though doing the exhalation. So you exhale fully. And this will also remove so much toxins and blocked emotions. All our negative experiences, they're all stuck in the chest area, in the belly area. And with Uddiyana Bandha, you can purify it, you can release it. And then the chin lock, Jalandhara Bandha, you just place your chin towards your chest. You can do it fully, but I recommend to just do it slightly. There's no need of the chin to touch the chest. This will also open Sushumna Nadi so that the energy, the prana, can flow into the higher chakras. It also stimulates the vagus nerve, so it helps you to tap into your parasympathetic nervous system. So Jalandhara Bandha, you can also apply it doing breathing. For example, Ujjayi breath. Or you inhale, you lock it, you hold the breath. It also helps you to hold the breath longer. And then all 3 together would be Maha Bandha. And Maha Bandha, you squeeze the perineum muscle, you suck in the belly, the diaphragm, in and up. You hold Jalandhara Bandha, and then you lock the energy, lock the prana inside. Usually done after an exhalation, Bahya Kumbhaka. First the Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha. You hold and you push yourself with the hands at the knees, push yourself up. And if you practice it daily, then you can also hold the breath longer than usually. In the beginning not. In the beginning it's a little bit tension and you're not so familiar with the different locks. So it will maybe cause you to just can hold it for a couple of seconds maybe, but after some practice you can hold the breath very long, and it's a very great experience. It also brings the energy up into the higher energy centers, especially for men. It will help you if you practice semen retention to get the energy from the semen slowly up towards your brain. So yogis usually you practice Maha Bandha to take the sexual energy and to transform it into creative energy. Maha Bandha you can also apply after an inhalation, Antara Kumbhaka. Then I start first with the chin lock, and then I squeeze the Mula Bandha in, and then Uddiyana Bandha. Then you hold for as long as you comfortably can, and right before you have to exhale again, you suck the belly, the diaphragm more in, a little bit more, you push it in and up, and then you hold for another 2-3 seconds, and then you release. For example, in a pranayama session it could look like this. Exhale. This was 2 breaths. You can do 5 to 10 breaths, maybe 3 rounds, or with inhalation. You release. This is called Bahya Pranayama, when you practice Maha Bandha in a sequence. After each exhalation, you hold Maha Bandha. Try it out for 5 breaths, 7 breaths, 10 breaths. It's amazing practice. If you want to know more, I released already 5 videos about the Bandhas. About Mula Bandha, 1 video. About Jalandhara Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha. About Maha Bandha, and then also how to practice Bahya Pranayama. So check out the comment section below. I will put the link of all 5 pranayama practices with the bandhas. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.